We'll talk about this body review. It's a new era for the company, and they used to be called Beachbody. You might have heard of Sean T from Insanity and P90X with Tony Horton. A lot of great programs from back in the day, and they have rebranded. They used to be called Beachbody. Now they're called Body, BODI, and we'll be focusing especially on the business side. So they provide a lot of comprehensive fitness solutions. They aim to empower individuals through a healthy wellness lifestyle, but also help people on the business side. So to help people with their business opportunity, to help them with financial growth. So stick around till the end, and I'm going to give you a free gift. That free gift will help you make passive income online using the latest business automation technologies, even if you have no experience doing any of this stuff. So who am I? My name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for well over a decade. Here's why I got started building a business online. I had a kid. That was pretty much the simple story. I had a traditional business as well where I was making appointments at people's offices, people's homes, making phone calls, and that wasn't really sustainable when I had my kid, and it was very tough. I'll just say it was to the point where I just realized that I needed to either find other options to grow that business through passive strategies or choose a different business model. So what I decided is to look for other business models, to make a long story short. And I wanted to, of course, simplify my life, have more freedom, flexibility to be able to work just about any time, anywhere. And so that's how InfoSpy TV was born. So I help ordinary people make money online using straightforward business models. Quick disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate of BODI, so I don't make money directly from them. So what is this company all about? So they offer the workout programs, nutritional guidance, community with support, and they wanted to rebrand because they changed their model around. And I'll be talking about more about how it's structured, how people get paid, but their operations changed and they want to provide this online platform to provide a wide range of valuable resources. Their unique selling proposition is that they have well over 1,500 workouts, which is quite a ton load of it. So 75 structured programs. To me, just having one of the programs was extremely helpful. Ended up getting two, and those were very, very transformational. But think about it, 1,500 workouts, quite a bit, catering to various fitness levels and goals, and all accessible through a single subscription. So just to give you a quick idea about their range, they had something like yoga. I think they had something like Tai Chi in the past. I'm not sure if they still have it. And then, of course, a hardcore workout. And if you look at P90X, there's a lot of hardcore workouts in that. And then they also have a lot of cardio as well. So who's the founder? Is this guy, co-founder is Carl Deichler. He has been pivotal in shaping that vision and direction for the company. How do customers make money using this system? They engage with BODI through its subscription model, gaining access to a wide variety of fitness programs and nutritional resources. And here's the change. The big change, this new era that they're jumping into, is affiliate marketing. They were doing multi-level marketing in the past. And as you probably know already, multi-level marketing, network marketing, people think it's a pyramid scheme. So they just wanted to make sure that they could allow their users to earn commissions by promoting their products, by doing it in a way that was also helpful for their image. And so how much does this cost? There's different plans, but it's around $179 per year, which is like around 15 bucks a month. So lots of programs, a lot of fitness programs, nutritional content. Is it a scam? No, it's not. It's a long-standing company. No matter what you see in reviews, it's a company that has used different marketing strategies, and now it's jumping into affiliate marketing where they allow people to promote it and make commissions. So here are the pros. Diverse content. BODI offers a vast library of workout programs catering to various fitness levels and preferences. So that's actually cool for a business owner to be able to promote this. It's not just one program, one product. You have a huge library. So if you ever come across the objection of that, it just doesn't have what I need, there's actually tons and tons of content within that platform. They also offer community support. The platform fosters a sense of community through features like BOD groups where users can connect with coaches and fellow members for motivation. They also have a flexible access. Users can access workouts on multiple devices making it easy to fit fitness into their schedules. Here are the cons. Initial commitment. Users must commit to an annual subscription. They do have some other plans, but it's more about commitment. As you probably know, subscription plans, they're something that people don't want to be locked into regular payments, but it's up to the consumer. Leave that up to the consumer if you decide to use this business model. And then the learning curve. New users may need to navigate the platform and fully utilize its features. Limited equipment focus. While many workouts require minimal equipment, those looking for specific trainings with kettlebells or barbells may find fewer options. So my opinion about the system is that they do provide a very positive journey for their customers, and they're moving away from their outdated MLM practices to a more straightforward affiliate approach where people just promote the product, and then what happens is that they get commissions. They get a percentage of commissions for that. So this shift could enhance user experience and profitability for the company. Are there better options out there? I think so. There's an alternative business that I have implemented called high ticket affiliate marketing. It's where I provide high value products and they provide significant income potential. Benefits of starting this kind of business model is that you have high commissions. It's extremely different than BODI. If you're thinking about BODI's commissions off of even an annual, higher commissions on a high ticket product, it could be 3, 4, 5 figures. So a lot per a sale. And that can lead to faster income growth. There's also a lot of flexibility in building this model, especially with higher commissions and being able to work anywhere, anytime. It allows you to have a better work-life balance than promoting other things that get low commissions. When you're promoting things with very low commissions, it takes a lot of effort from you. Scalability. Easily scale your business by promoting multiple high-ticket offers and other even medium and low-ticket offers. Low overhead costs. You can start with minimal investment compared to traditional businesses. Also, many of these high-ticket programs that I promote, actually all of them, they have supportive communities. You could join a network of like-minded individuals who share tips and strategies for success. So it's simple to get started. You grab my free gift in the pinned comment below, and it'll show you how to make high-ticket sales using modern automation technology. Even if you're on a tight budget, even if you're not a techie, go ahead and check out my description and the pinned comment below. This is Charles Draven. Thanks for watching this video on BODI.